Welcome back to another update on the Algo FX Pro FTMO challenge. So as you can see, today is Monday the 10th of January, it is 9:19 p.m. So we're not actually in any trades at the minute, but we did have quite a hectic day today. A lot of trades taken and some quite good profit. There was some news today at 3 p.m. and then some news again at 5, but it did seem to be quite a volatile market today. So if we have a look at how we got on, you can see that we did start the morning predominantly in buys, and we did take quite a few sells overall. So you can see the profit for these trades on the right hand side. So a 1.16, which I believe is the biggest lot size we have taken yet on this challenge. So what happened was we were in some sells for over an hour and a half. Now, my experience with this EA, it tends to be in and out fairly quickly, and the longer it goes on, the more inclined I am to try and get out of the trades when I am in a little bit of profit. Between an hour or two, you're not too bad, but if it's anything longer than 2 hours, I really do try and get out whenever I can. And in this instance, we did actually manage to close in profit, but I was just trying to close at break even at that point, particularly because it was around 2 p.m. and the news was coming out at 3, so I wanted to be out of all trades and ready to turn off for the news. So that's why you see quite a lot of losers there. But as I say, we did actually manage to close those sells in profit overall. You'll see the effect that that had on the equity curve on FTMO in a minute as well. But we did take some more trades there. So 0.91, which left us in £177 profit on a buy. And then some more big trades as well on sell. So a 1.12. which left us at a £247 profit as well. So quite big trades today, probably the most active day we've had so far on the challenge. And you can see the profit for today was £856.60. So if we have a look at what that means for all history on this challenge, you can see that we are up on this account £1,933. So looking at the account metrics then, and if we jump straight to the equity curve, as I say, this is where the dip happens. So when I close those other trades, the EA tries to close all trades in a win or sometimes a bit of a small loss, and that's why you can see that the growth is fairly even. These dips here is when I've interfered, so I've actually tried to get out of the trade. But as I say, those losing trades brought us down to here, but immediately we went back up into profit. So technically a bit of a dip, but we did actually close the trades in profit, so not a big deal at all. And then as I say, some quite big trades near the end of the day. So literally from here onwards is just for today. So a little bit of a crazy market today, but all good overall. So as you may already know, we started this challenge on the 30th of December and we have until the 7th of February to complete. £70,000 FTMO challenge using an EA that I found on Fiverr. I did actually manage to pass a 10k challenge, so I thought I would see how it performed on this 70k. Looking at the objectives then, a minimum of 10 trading days and we've traded for 5. A max daily loss of 3,500, and today we did actually reach our lowest drawdown at one point. We hit minus 1,300, which obviously isn't too close to the 3,500, but when I saw that is when shortly after I decided to try and get out of those trades when I could. Max loss overall of 7,000 and we've hit minus 256, and a profit target of 7,000 and we've hit £1,933 so far. Looking at statistics then, 198 trades taken, so an equivalent of 34.71 lots, with a win rate of 68.69%, so I believe that has gone down a little bit since my last video, with an average profit of £19.91. So I won't go over the 30th of December again. I don't want to bore people that are keeping up with these videos. If you do want to know what happened there, just watch the first video on this series. 4th of January is a good day at £531. 5th of January is a lot of news, so we didn't trade too much. And again with the 6th of January, quite a bit of news again we had to try and navigate around. So today's by far the best day that we've had at £856. So originally I needed to be averaging around £350 profit in order to pass the challenge by the 7th of February. Since today, that has gone down to £319. So I do believe we're on track here to pass, but we may hit with the equity protector tomorrow. You never know what's going to happen in trading. So we are more profitable on buys. So we've made 1,000 of our profits so far on buys, and then £907 on sell. 1.21 being our most profitable lot size at 377. Not our biggest though. Our biggest is at 1.61, and the profit we've made from that is £301. And then we're actually down on the 0.07, which is what we open the trades on. So the initial trades that we take are 0.07, but usually you're into a 0.09 fairly quickly. It does like to come in and out of trades quite quickly. So I will leave the video there for now. If you have any questions on this EA, please let me know, and thanks very much for watching.